Hey everybody, check out my rig. Hey, it's Mikey B at Beckley's RVs. Today we're gonna talk about the 5 factors on a Class A motorhome that make it an awesome house on wheels. Let's go check it out. So one of the amazing factors to the Class A motorhome is storage, the capacities. You're gonna find all this basement storage in these motorhomes to be a lot bigger, taller, and deeper. So when we talk about capacities in these motorhomes being a lot bigger, like the outside storage, it also goes hand in hand with the inside. You're gonna have a lot more cabinets. You're gonna have like an 80-gallon fuel tank that you can just go right on by fuel stations. But you also, in a pinch, if you're going off the grid or need to make that Walmart stop, that just allows you to carry a lot more fresh water and, more importantly, better storage, bigger storage to capture all that wastewater. So you don't have to worry about finding a darn hookup somewhere. So a long time ago when I got in this business, being a tent camper, took out my daughter for the first time in an RV at Beckley's RVs that I borrowed, and we had AC. And she's like, "Dad, this ain't camping if you have AC." I don't know about you, 20 years of doing this, I am spoiled AF. So with a Class A motorhome, you are going to get all those creature comfort features right at your fingertips. You're gonna have easy on and off switches, just simple for the lights. You're gonna have a little bit, not a little bit, my gosh, this particular model has 3 TVs. You're gonna have cell phone charging stations, bigger refrigerator, LCD panel to run all this stuff. I'm all about convenience, are you? One of my favorite things with a motorhome is the ability to stop anywhere and not even have to go outside. I'm sitting at the driver's seat, I'm throwing down those leveling jacks, I'm turning on the generator to get the air going or whatever I may need, close up the curtains, run the slide out, and I'm camping wherever the heck I want to, again, without even opening the door and getting outside. So safety, convenience, I love that about a Class A motorhome. Oh, hey there. I'm just driving down the highway, 300-400 miles in. Why drive that much? Because you can. That's what I love about a Class A. It's super comfortable. You have big steering wheel, got armrests. I'm 6'1", I got plenty of leg room. As I'm driving down, I even got safety. I got cameras on both sides. If I'm turning my blinker, doing a lane change, I got a backup camera in case I'm in some spot, I don't know where the heck I am, and I gotta do a UE. But what I love the most about the drivability factor to the Class A motorhomes, it's a beautiful landscape with this big windshield. It's like a movie. I'm driving down through the Rockies. I'm driving the California coast. I'm going down the Blue Ridge. There it is. Anywho, I love driving these Class A motorhomes because they are so comfortable and I can just keep on trucking and go wherever the heck I please. All right, so what I love about Class A motorhomes that make these things awesome is the footprint. You take a travel trailer, about 30 foot, which is pretty norm for our industry. You take a truck, Nick, do the math, 20-foot truck, 30-foot trailer. How long are we? Did you hear that? 50 feet, guys. Motorhomes are not 50 foot. So I can get this motorhome in a lot more places than that big long connection. Would you agree? Oh yeah. All right, let's roll. All right, YouTubers and Beckley's RV fans, this again, Class A motorhome, rig, coach, whatever you want to call it. These are the 5 things that make these house on wheels awesome. Don't forget to like the video, comment below on what you think is awesome about a Class A, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Again, I'm Mikey B at Beckley's RVs. I'll see you next time.